Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we got the basic understanding of another important predefined functional interface, that is consumer interface. We also learned its application and syntax. In case you have missed it, click on the I button mentioned on the top of your screen. Coming back to this video, in this video, we will see some more examples of consumer functional interface so that you can get a better understanding of the usage of consumers. Another example, here suppose I am given a task to calculate the total bill of items. So let's try to implement this solution. Here I have a class calculate total bill which has a main method inside it. Let's assume I have an item class with some properties, and also in this class let me have a list of items that I can use it as the input for the consumer. So here I will write a consumer that will take the list of items as an input, and it will iterate over the list of items to calculate the price of each item and then adding it to the total. And let me do that and just write a consumer for that. So a consumer that takes an input as the list of item, it has a local variable called the total amount, and for each item it is calculating the amount for that item and it is adding it to the total amount, and at last will print the total amount. So let's see this code into the actions. So here I have a class calculate total bill, and I'll add a public static void main method to it. Let me have another class of item that I'll be using in this. So this item class has three properties: item name, rate, and quantity. And then we have a constructor for that and the getter setters for the item class. Let me create a list of items and let me add some values to it. So these are some of the values to the list of items. Let me also add the import statements that would be required. And now we will write a consumer that will take this entire list of items and will give me a total bill based on the quantity and rate of each item. So my consumer will be consumer of list of item, which will calculate the total amount, and here we have taken a total amount variable, and for every item we are calculating the rate into the quantity so that we can get the amount of a single item, and then we will add it to the total amount. So this is our consumer, and now let me add the code to invoke it. So we have printed system.out.println, and then we have called the calculate total amount dot accept method. So let me just save this code and let me just compile it. So it is compiled and let me run it. So total bill is some amount. So this was it for today. In this video, we looked at some more examples on how we can use consumer effectively. In our upcoming video, we will learn about the default and static methods that are present in the consumer functional interface and how they are used for consumer chaining. So I hope you like this video. So do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, do connect us with the comment sections. Stay tuned for yet another videos on Java 8. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thank you for watching.